Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn an important English word through an amazing story from real history. The word is approach. Let's begin our journey. The word approach means to come near something or someone. It also means a way or plan to do something. For example, we approach a door when we want to open it. We approach a friend when we want to talk. Now, let's see this word in a real story. In 1969, 3 brave astronauts went on a special mission. Their names were Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. They flew on a spacecraft called Apollo 11. Their goal was to land on the moon for the first time in human history. This was a very important moment for the whole world. After traveling for 3 days through space, the spacecraft began to approach the moon. The astronauts could see the moon getting bigger and bigger. They were coming near their destination. This was the moment they had trained for many years. Everyone on Earth was watching and waiting. But there was a problem. As they got closer, Neil Armstrong looked out the window. He saw that their landing spot was full of big rocks. It was not safe to land there. They had to make a quick decision. The fuel was running low. Time was running out. Neil Armstrong decided to change their approach. He took control of the spacecraft and flew it to a different area. He looked for a flat, safe place to land. He carefully moved the lunar module away from the dangerous rocks. This was a brave and smart decision. Finally, they found a safe spot. On July 20, 1969, the lunar module landed gently on the moon's surface. Neil Armstrong said the famous words, "The eagle has landed." Because of their careful approach, the mission was successful. The astronauts were safe, and history was made. In this story, we see the word approach used in 2 ways. First, the spacecraft approached the moon. This means it came near the moon. Second, the astronauts changed their approach. This means they changed their plan or way of landing. Both meanings are important and useful. We can use approach in our daily life too. When you approach your teacher, you walk near them to ask a question. When you approach a problem, you think of a way to solve it. When winter approaches, it means winter is coming soon. The word is very useful in many situations. Let's remember what we learned today. Approach means to come near something. It also means a way or plan to do something. The Apollo 11 astronauts approached the moon and changed their approach to land safely. This word helps us talk about movement and planning. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this story about the word approach. The Apollo 11 mission shows us that being careful and smart with our approach can lead to great success. Keep practicing your English and remember to subscribe to Wordscience for more fun and interesting stories. See you in the next video.